Hey everyone, Xiaomi's mini LED gaming monitor G Pro 27Qi 2026 represents the company's latest push to strengthen its global presence in the premium gaming monitor segment. While Xiaomi has been experimenting with mini LED technology for a few years, this new model feels like a more focused and refined step forward, targeting gamers who want superior HDR performance, fast refresh rates, and strong color accuracy without jumping into full 4K territory. Positioned as a global counterpart to the Redmi monitor G Pro 27U, the 27Qi 2026 takes a different path, opting for a 1440p resolution instead of 4K. This might sound like a downgrade on paper, but the choice is deliberate. A 1440p panel allows higher refresh rates and smoother motion while staying within the performance capabilities of mid-range and high-end GPUs. The result's a monitor that aims to hit a sweet spot, fast enough for competitive play, sharp enough for detailed visuals, and bright enough to stand out in HDR gaming. The display itself is built around a 27-inch panel enhanced by 1,152 mini LED local dimming zones. This dense backlight arrangement is what allows the monitor to push peak brightness levels up to 2,000 nits, although Xiaomi clarifies that this figure applies to small HDR highlight areas. Even so, this level of luminance places the G Pro 27Qi 2026 in a category typically reserved for monitors costing significantly more. Color performance is equally ambitious. Xiaomi claims 99% Adobe RGB and 99% DCI-P3 coverage, which pushes the monitor into territory usually associated with professional-grade displays. Paired with gray-to-gray response time and AMD FreeSync support, the monitor promises a blend of vibrant color reproduction and low-latency gameplay that should appeal to gamers who also do creative work or content creation. The refresh rate sees a notable increase over the previous global model, rising to 180 Hz. This upgrade further aligns the 27Qi model with modern high-refresh gaming expectations. It doesn't challenge the extreme 240 or 360 Hz esports monitors, but it sits comfortably in a range where motion smoothness is excellent and image clarity during fast action remains sharp. Xiaomi also highlights improvements in the overall user experience. The ergonomics stand supports height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments, ensuring that the monitor can adapt to a variety of setups. 4 video inputs offer flexibility for multi-device users, and a retractable headphone hanger is a small but appreciated convenience. The circular LED lighting on the back adds a subtle aesthetic touch without being overly flashy, fitting in well with modern gaming desk setups. While the monitor appears well-rounded, Xiaomi has held back on certain specifics, especially regarding HDR certifications and detailed peak brightness behavior across full-screen and multi-zone content. Pricing is also unknown for now, though the previous gaming monitor G Pro 27i launched at $329. Given the higher specifications here, the 27Qi 2026 may land at a noticeably higher price point once it reaches retail shelves. Overall, the Xiaomi gaming monitor G Pro 27Qi 2026 comes across as a promising option for gamers seeking top-tier brightness, strong HDR capability, and a high refresh rate in a 1440p package. It aims to combine gaming performance with professional-level color accuracy, all while maintaining Xiaomi's reputation for offering good value. If the final price lands competitively, this model could become one of the most compelling mini LED monitors in its class upon release. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.